Like all home improvement projects, concrete coatings are not something you can pay for with the spare change you find between the cushions of your couch. It is an investment. But how do you know what type of product to use for your concrete coating? In this video, we're going to compare epoxy versus a polyurea coating to see what the differences are and which one is best for you. Hi, I'm Steve McNary from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. In this video, we're going to compare the Pentec polyurea concrete coating to one of its most popular competitors, epoxy. We'll look at qualities like cost, prep work, cure time, and durability. At Southwest Exteriors, we specialize in polyurea coatings, but that's not to say that an epoxy coating isn't the right choice for you. Epoxy is a low-cost and fairly easy material for a quick coating if that is all you're looking for. So let's jump right in and find out together which concrete coating type is right for you. Durability. Epoxy is known and heavily advertised for its durability. For a garage floor coating, it can withstand the marks, chemicals, stains, scratching, and general impacts. However, if you are constantly pulling into your garage after a long drive, the heat from your tires is going to wear down on the epoxy within a few years. Polyurea is more durable than epoxy and more flexible because it is an elastomer. It's also chemical resistant and can withstand stable heat up to 266 degrees Fahrenheit and can withstand up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit for a shorter amount of time. Speaking of heat, UV heat will also wear and cause yellowing in epoxy outdoor areas, while polyurea is UV resistant and will not yellow in the sun, making polyurea a great option for outdoor patios, pool decks, driveways, and sidewalks. Longevity. Epoxy coatings typically last 3 to 5 years before you start to see any wear or deterioration. This means that you're going to find yourself needing to replace that coating sooner rather than later. Polyurea is more durable than epoxy and it has a life expectancy of about 15 years. This product is meant to last you a lifetime. So looking at it all together, polyurea is going to last you at least a decade more than an epoxy coating. Cost. Epoxy is a popular product you can buy at your local hardware store for a DIY job. It typically costs $3 to $7 per square foot, but some epoxy coatings can make their way towards the $12 range. Because polyurea coatings are more durable and will last longer, they're going to be more expensive than an epoxy coating. The average cost for a single bay garage polyurea concrete coating with Southwest Exteriors is about $2,000. That averages out around $7 to $12 per square foot depending on the variables. So while polyurea is more expensive than epoxy, you're paying for the longevity and durability that it will give you, and you'll get your money's worth. Prep work. Both epoxy and polyurea concrete coatings require special prep done to the concrete. Preparing a concrete surface for epoxy can consist of sanding the surface smooth, but a more popular method is called acid etching. This is when you take a mixture of acid diluted with water and scrub it into the surface. Acid etching is really the only option for a home DIY job and is still popularly used in the professional industry. For a polyurea coating, preparation starts with filling in any cracks, pits, or hollow spots, then grinding down the concrete with a diamond grinder until the surface is even and smooth. Depending on the type of preparation chosen for epoxy, the two processes are fairly similar. However, acid etching can be a dangerous and potentially harmful preparation tactic to get into, especially if you plan to do it yourself. Cure time. The cure time refers to the amount of time it takes for the product to harden completely on your concrete. Epoxy can take up to 5 days to completely cure, which, depending on the location of your concrete coating, can cause a massive inconvenience for you. A polyurea coating, on the other hand, cures in 1 day, so you can walk on it 4 to 6 hours later and park your car on it approximately 24 hours later. However, it is important to note that temperature and humidity will affect the cure time for both products. The hotter it is, the faster the surface will cure, and inversely, the more humid it is, the longer it will take to cure. While outdoor conditions can cause that cure time to vary, a polyurea coating is going to save you days on that cure time compared to epoxy, no matter what. Which is better? When comparing two different products, it's hard to choose a winner. If you want your concrete coating to be durable and last with minimal upkeep, polyurea is a great solution. If you're moving out of your home soon and just want to spruce up the garage, a less expensive epoxy option would be better for you. Choosing which product you want really just comes down to what your needs and goals are. A part of choosing which product is better for you is also considering the installation. No matter if you decide on epoxy or polyurea, a poor installation of the coating is not going to last. If you want more information on concrete coating, click the link below to a video where we do a deeper dive into concrete coating installation processes so you know what it looks like. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want to give you the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.